Are you tired of scrounging around the garage looking for that hand pump or foot pump to pump up your kid's bike or even a basketball? Well, this week I've got just the thing. Welcome to Bailey Built. I'm Anthony Bailey, and this week we take a look at the Craftsman V20 Inflator. It not only handles things like your bike tires and basketballs, but also handles tires on your vehicle. The Craftsman multi-purpose inflator is part of their V20 system. Now this allows you to use the same battery as those that power their drills and saws. While like others, this product comes with a 3-year warranty. One of the unique things that I liked about the inflator was also that it can be powered by a wall plug, 12-volt car AC adapter, or the V20 system battery. Now the batteries and chargers will need to be purchased separately. Inside the box was the manual and the inflator. A rocker switch on the front panel allows you to choose how to power the inflator. The switch is set to off, which sits in the middle, but can be rocked up for the DC switch or rocked down to the south there for the AC option. To your left, you'll find the flow versus pressure selection. To pump air out at a high pressure, you will need to push the selector up. For the lower pressure, when airing up items like an air mattress or basketball, you will want to push the selection item down. On the far right side of the front lies a port for deflating items. Rotating the unit around, you can see the slot for the V20 battery. On the right side of the unit, you'll find a reel that holds the wall plug. There is an air hose with the traditional nozzle to air up your bike tires. The hose can be neatly stored in the built-in reel. I found that the storage options were laid out smartly. On the opposite end, you will find yet another reel. This one was made to hold the 12-volt AC power cord outside of it, while offering a place to store a variety of attachments inside. After plugging in the battery, it was time to see how it operated. Powering up the inflator was pretty easy. Once you pop the battery on, there's a bright LED screen that lights up. A plus and minus switch allow you to set a predetermined PSI. Once I rotated the inflator around, I removed the large air hose from the lower part of the back unit. On the end of the hose, it has a cutout design that allows you to lock it onto the air pump. The same hose can be inserted into the front side of the unit when deflating an item. Well, after getting a chance to test out the air inflator, I think it's going to be a great tool for DIYers around the house. I've already spotted about 4 or 5 different projects where I'll be able to use this right here in my own garage. If you love these type of videos, click like or smash that subscribe button. Until the next time, take care.